Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to customize your ClickUp dashboards in 2026. Customizing dashboards helps you track your projects, team progress, and priorities in one place. So yeah, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once it loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you use SSO, just choose your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tools are available. Now click on Dashboards in the left sidebar. You'll see any existing dashboards or have the option to create a new one. Click on a dashboard you want to customize or create a new one by clicking Create Dashboard and giving it a clear name like Project Overview or Team Tracking. Inside your dashboard, you can add widgets. Click Add Widget and choose from options like Task List, Workload, Pie Chart, Bar Chart, Goals, or Custom Charts. Each widget can be filtered by space, folder, list, status, assignee, priority, or due date, so you see exactly the data you need. Next, arrange your widgets. Drag and drop them to reorganize your dashboard so the most important information is visible at the top or center. You can also resize widgets to make charts or task lists bigger for easier reading. Yeah, this is super handy for quick overviews. You can also customize how widgets display information. For example, change chart colors, adjust time ranges, or select which fields show in task lists, like assignee, status, or due date. This helps make your dashboard more readable and tailored to your workflow. Another great feature is sharing dashboards with your team. You can set permissions so some people can only view while others can edit. This keeps everyone aligned and ensures relevant information is accessible to the right team members. Dashboards are dynamic, so any updates to tasks, lists, or goals automatically reflect in your widgets. This means your data is always current without manually refreshing anything. You can also create multiple dashboards for different purposes, like team workload, high priority tasks, or client projects. Finally, review your dashboard regularly and update it as workflows change. A well-organized, customized dashboard saves time and helps your team stay focused and productive. And that's it. Customizing ClickUp dashboards in 2026 is simple, flexible, and powerful for managing projects and tracking team progress. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next